In the ever-evolving landscape of digital innovation, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have emerged as a groundbreaking phenomenon, reshaping the way we perceive, buy, and sell digital assets. From artwork to virtual real estate, NFTs have opened up new avenues for creators, collectors, and investors to explore and capitalize on the burgeoning digital economy. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve deep into the world of NFTs, uncovering their significance, exploring their mechanisms, and providing insights on how individuals can leverage them to their advantage. Understanding NFTs, decoding the digital revolution. At its essence, a non-fungible token, NFT, represents a unique digital asset that is authenticated and stored on a blockchain, a decentralized and transparent ledger. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable, NFTs are one of a kind, each possessing distinct attributes and ownership records. These digital tokens have transformed the concept of ownership in the digital realm, enabling creators to tokenize their work and buyers to own exclusive digital items with provable scarcity and authenticity. The appeal of NFTs, unveiling the allure. The rise of NFTs can be attributed to several key factors that have captured the imagination of artists, collectors, and investors alike. First and foremost is the concept of scarcity. By creating limited edition digital assets, NFTs inherently imbue value and exclusivity, appealing to collectors who seek uniqueness and rarity in their acquisitions. Additionally, the transparent and immutable nature of blockchain technology ensures that ownership rights are indisputably recorded, providing buyers with a level of trust and confidence in their investments. How to capitalize on NFTs. Strategies for success. For those looking to capitalize on the rise of NFTs, there are various strategies to consider, each tailored to the individual's goals and interests. 1. Investing in established projects. One approach is to invest in established NFT projects and platforms, focusing on well-known artists and reputable marketplaces. Conduct thorough research on the history and performance of different projects, paying attention to factors such as creator credibility, market demand, and potential for long-term growth. 2. Exploring emerging trends. Keep a pulse on emerging trends and developments in the NFT space, such as new platforms, technological innovations, and cultural phenomena. By identifying nascent opportunities early on, investors can position themselves to capitalize on the next big trend and potentially generate significant returns on their investments. 3. Creating and selling NFTs. If you're a creator or artist, consider leveraging NFTs to monetize your digital creations and expand your audience reach. Experiment with different mediums and formats, from digital artwork to music and virtual collectibles, and explore platforms that cater to your specific niche and audience demographic. By embracing the rise of NFTs and exploring the myriad opportunities they offer, individuals can unlock new avenues for creativity, expression, and financial prosperity. Whether you're an artist seeking to monetize your talent, a collector looking to acquire rare digital memorabilia, or an investor seeking to diversify your portfolio, NFTs present a gateway to a future where digital ownership knows no bounds. So, seize the moment, explore the possibilities, and embark on your journey to capitalize on the rise of NFTs, a future where the digital landscape is yours to shape and define.